Hey everybody, this is Melina from ScrapbookingwithME.com and Me Crafty Scrapper here on YouTube and Instagram. We are on location today, this week actually. We have been on a ministry trip and we are still in the great state of Alabama, but some of the attractions and beautiful natural beauty that we have seen this week makes us think that we are somewhere else, because it is just gorgeous. I mean, beautiful, beautiful scenery. This that you are looking at now is just right back behind the church that we are in revival in this week, and I will show you a picture of that church here coming up next in this little movie. That was the church, and it is set atop a beautiful hill, and then this is back behind the church. Just gorgeous country back through here. And we also made a quick stop today at NOCCALULA Falls. If you've ever been in the middle Alabama area around Gadsden, NOCCALULA Falls is in Gadsden, in the Gadsden area. And I will show you some video and still shots of NOCCALULA Falls. A little birthday giveaway I'm going to be having right now until my birthday, which is May 12th. So we are filming this video April the 3rd. Today is April the 30th, so the last day of April today is. And we will be having a birthday giveaway. And two things in the birthday giveaway I'm going to actually show you. They're brand new items from Tim Holtz. And whoever wins my birthday giveaway will get those 2 items plus 3 mystery items of my choice. A few of my favorite things from paper crafting I'm going to give to you. But 2 of the things, the Tim Holtz items, I'm going to show you at the end of this video. But I would love for you to watch all of it, and I apologize for any wind noise you might be getting right now. It is a little windy, but it is like perfect out here. The sun is not even directly shining. It's like 76 degrees. It's a gorgeous day here in Alabama. So to be entered into my birthday giveaway, you'll need to watch my last video, which was the mini journal with pockets and watercolor pages video. You will need to watch that. That was on, let's see, I posted that on April the 28th, so 2 days ago. You will need to watch that video. You'll need to like that video, subscribe to my channel, and make that mini journal. So just follow my tutorial. It doesn't matter what paper you use, what collection you use, but you'll need to make that mini journal following my tutorial. Then you will need to post your tutorial, post your pictures of your mini journal in our Facebook group, Scrapbooking with Me Boutique on Facebook. So you'll need to post your pictures there, and then you'll need to use the hashtag MSJournal. So M's Journal is the hashtag. You'll need to use that hashtag in your post with your pictures in the group so that we can find it. The giveaway will be May 12th on my birthday, and we hope that you will make that cute little journal. It's out of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, so it's very, very easy. So if you have a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, doesn't even matter what color cardstock, but if you have that and some decorative papers, you are all set. Some scissors, you're gonna be good for that little journal. It is so easy and so easy to put together. So that is the information about my birthday giveaway. So you will need to subscribe to my channel. You will need to like that video. I would love it if you like this video and comment on this video what you think of all of the scenery that we saw today in this beautiful countryside. And that's not a requirement for the giveaway though, but you'll have to watch that last video, and I'll leave a link. It is the last one that I made, but I'll leave a link in the description box below just so that you can get there easier. But you'll need to watch that video of the mini journal, subscribe to my channel, and you will need to make that journal and post your pictures in our Scrapbooking with Me Boutique Facebook group with the hashtag MSJournal. So M's Journal is the hashtag, and we will draw a winner from all of those posts that we can find using that hashtag, because we will search the group using that hashtag to find the posts that have made that journal. So that is how you enter my birthday giveaway on my channel. Thank you so much for being a subscriber here, and I'll show you 2 things that you'll be getting, whoever the winner is, that they will be getting in their prize. So here are those 2 things. That's right, the brand new Tim Holtz salvaged patina. It is a gorgeous color, and I am going to be giving the oxide pad and the spray, the distress stain spray, away in my birthday giveaway. So those two things, along with 3 mystery items of my choice that are some of my favorite things, will be the giveaway prize for my birthday. So thanks so much. My birthday's May the 12th. I love presents. No, I'm kidding. You don't have to send me anything. Y'all have a great day. God bless. We have one more night of revival here at Bethlehem, and we are so looking forward to it. The Lord is really blessing in this revival. Thank y'all so much for being here. God bless. Bye, y'all.